Good morning, guys. Today we're going to learn how to complete modifying a document. Modifying a document, we'll be using Google Docs and some of the basic editing tools that come with it. So first thing, once you open up your modifying a document, you'll see some of our learning targets, which are problem solving, computer applications. The directions, as you can see, please complete the following modifications in order. Use the video tutorials to assist and use the checkbox next to the number to cross off each skill when completed. So let's see our day one requirements. Is open a new Google Doc and title the document Modifying a Document. So first thing we're doing, we're going to come up and open up a new tab. And once we open up a new tab, we are going to go into our Google Apps. We could click on that through here or also up here on our button. So I'm going to open up my Google Apps and I'm going to go into my Google Drive. Once I go to Google Drive, I'm going to click on my New button. And then I'm going to go to Google Docs. Now, some of you may use the shortcut method, which would just have been Apps and Google Docs. Either way is fine with me. Now that I have my new Google Doc open, as my directions tell me, I'm going to title the file Modifying a Document. So come up here, remove Untitled Document, and I'm going to type in Modifying a Document. Great. Step one is now complete. Now, my step two, keep the font style on Arial with a font size of 11. So just to double check my font style, it is Arial. And as you can see, my font size is currently 11. Great. Step two is now done. Our step three says type your name heading in the top left corner, which consists of your name, then enter one time, Mr. DeSora, then enter one time, the date, and please spell out the month, and then enter one time, and then computer literacy, and then enter 3 times. We're going to come back and modify this, so please don't worry. So I'm going to type in my first and last name, enter one time, Mr. DeSora, then enter one time, and then the date. I'm going to represent the date as 23 March 2018, and then enter one time. And our last one, as you probably could see, we need to type in computer literacy. There we go. Then I'm going to enter 3 times as directed. Great. Now that is direction number 3. Now our direction 4, as you can see, says type the 2 paragraphs on the back of this page into your document. So now guys, the 2 paragraphs are all the way down here on page 3, as you will see. It says, as you work for higher skill, remember that accuracy is more important than how fast you key. So we're going to type in these 2 paragraphs into this document right here. When you are done, make sure that you proofread your work and correct any misspelled words. When we come back next class, we will work on day 2 modifications. Okay, hopefully this helps you out and keep up the good work.